In this section, we are going to focus on MITRE framework, like how we can use MITRE ATT&CK Navigator. So today we are going to check two APT groups, APT3 and APT29. We'll see the comparison between these two APT. What are the common technique? What exactly technique used by APT3? What exactly is the technique used by APT29? So let's get started. So suppose like this is a layer. I want to analyze. This is called APT3. I can simply click here APT3, and in this case what I can do is, you can see we have a multi-select. I can select APT3. You can just select it, and next part what you need to do is you need to see the color setup. So just toggle this button and set the color. So suppose the value of the color will be 1, and I'm going to set the value 3. So I'm going to use 3 color. There is a reason like I have added high value 3 and the low value 1. Okay, so once you do that, next part is you can give a scoring. You can see initial access, valid account, then command line interface, graphical user interface, PowerShell, and so on, right? Similar way I want to analyze APT29. So create a new layer. We can simply go to the APT29. Okay, similar way we can simply select it, APT29 selected, multicolor, and this time like we need to use color coding toggle, and as we know that we have 3 color, right? So I'm going to select second number out of 3. Okay, so suppose you are going to analyze 5 different APT or 20 different APT, you can set high value 20. So when this part is done, where is the background color? You can see 2 and 3, and we can give a score for this is 2. Let me just cross it, create a new color, APT29, select it, background color on it. We have total value is 3, low value we have 1, and we can simply select scoring, that is number 2, right? Now it's perfect one. So in this case, as I mentioned, when you come here, simple click on the multi-select area, select the APT which you want to analyze. Next you come to the background color. We have a 3 color. Low value always be the 1. Okay, highest value will be the 3, and next part is scoring system. So we already selected 1 for APT3. Now this is the second color, right? Next part what you need to do is you want to combine this APT3 and APT29. Means what is the common things between APT3 and APT29. In that particular case, what you can do is you can simply click on create a layer from the other layer, score. You can use C A plus B. So here A you can see yellow color, and then plus B, and simple click on the create, and you can clearly see that we have automatically one more color is added, right? So automatically it selected. Okay, so now these are the common technique between this APT3 and APT29. That's how we can use MITRE ATT&CK Navigator. Okay, that's all for this section. I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see in the next hacking episode.